Yeah, it's beautiful weather today. So welcome back. We're still on the way around that eastern tip of the North Island. And today in the beautiful sunny weather, it just looks fantastic. So let's see what the day brings. We're gonna end close to Rotorua. So that's gonna be the part coming up from here on out. What a beautiful place. And that's a campsite as well, so technically I could come back here later. It is a beautiful place, it's insane. Definitely gonna hang out here for a bit, I kind of feel it right now. And then I'll see where I end up for later. That's how our day concludes. I just found that seahorse right at my feet. That's pretty insane. I've never seen a seahorse before. It's kind of cool, but also kind of sad. Welcome back, my dudes. We're still up at the coast, gonna make our way down to Rotorua now, even though sadly the bad weather kicked in again. So, still gonna make the best out of it. I have a lot of things that I want to do in the next few days when we're down in Rotorua. So, it's gonna be a lot of fun still. I know we're getting closer to Rotorua because it starts to smell like rotten eggs. It's all the geothermal activity in the area that's coming out now. Yeah, we're at the Waterfalls Reserve now, and it's time for some more waterfalls. Oh damn. That would be so much fun now. So cool. Wow. Oh, there's another one down here. That's so sick. Wow. Wow. So sick. What a beautiful place again, even though it's really muddy, but waterfalls are always just pretty amazing, no matter really in which size they come, except the really small ones. But it's just such a nice, kind of calming, but also like just fascinating feeling with waterfalls. But here they just look beautiful. Like the little one right now looked amazing just because of the amount of water flowing over. So nice. Sketchy path, but it seems like it looks pretty cool down there. So let's see. It's pretty steep and slidey. Oh. Damn. so thick. But let's hope the way up doesn't get too bad now. Just having it on either side is so sick. Such a beautiful river. And back down we go. You can already hear that there's a waterfall around, but you can't see it. So let's get lower. Oh, sick. That's so sick. That's scary. Let's see. Wow. And it goes quite deep. I saw there's another entrance on the other side, so let's see if they're connected. That's so tight. Oh, wow. Yeah, we're on the other side. Oh, there's Maori. Wow. That's so sick. Curious how much further down it goes. Oh, there's a weather. Now I've finally seen one. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go back. That's so sick. Yeah, that was definitely worth it. What a sick place. Oh, so nice. Yeah, we're back at the car and I'm just heading to the campsite now. And the action is gonna begin. I'm excited. There's so much stuff to do around here. But let's see. The campsite I'm planning to stay at is right by the lake, so hopefully we're gonna get a nice view. I'd say we found ourselves a pretty sick place to camp because my car's right there. Oh, what a sick view. I'm happy it's not raining right now. But yeah, that's basically it for today. And from tomorrow, the adventurous Rotorua part of the road trip is gonna start. So thank you guys a lot for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Helps me a lot. Just a click for you. and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.